In this video, I am going to show you how to get coconut and grow a garden Roblox. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So this is how to get coconuts and how to grow a coconut tree. You first need to purchase a coconut tree seed, which costs around 6,000 from the seed stall. Place them in an empty field on your farm and the tree will automatically grow within 8 hours. You can leave the game offline and when you get back in, you will find your tree grown to the fullest. If you don't want to wait, you can spend 357 Robux to grow it instantly by using the signboard outside. A coconut tree grows about 5 to 6 coconuts, and if the coconut seeds are not available at the seed stall, you will need to wait for a restock. Then you can collect the coconuts, and that's about it. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.